Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today I'm going to show you. If your Windows PC is running slow, freezing, or taking forever to boot, this video is for you. Today I'll show you the top 5 best Windows cleaner and optimization software to speed up your PC, remove junk files, and boost performance in 2026. Let's get started. First on the list is CCleaner, one of the most popular PC cleaning tools. CCleaner has been around for a long time, and part of the reason for its ongoing popularity is that it cleans the parts of your PC that many other free system optimization tools don't. There's a paid-for version of the optimization toolkit that adds real-time protection and cleanup scheduling, but the free edition of CCleaner covers the important stuff such as removing temporary files, getting rid of browser caches, removing unwanted cookies while keeping the useful ones, and so on. Key features: removes junk and temporary files, registry cleaner, startup manager, browser cleaning. Pros: easy to use, lightweight, free version available. Cons: some advanced features require pro version. Best for beginners who want simple one-click cleaning. 2 on the list is we have Glary Utilities. Removes junk files and unwanted apps, blocks bloatware and unwanted auto-run settings, clears out RAM and wipes various logs, browser histories and caches. Not only does this free up key system resources, it also eliminates traces of your browsing activity to protect your privacy. The genuine performance boost we saw after running System Mechanic made it our favorite PC optimizer. Key features: one-click maintenance, disk repair, registry fix, file shredder. Pros: very lightweight, simple UI, completely free version available. Cons: interface not very modern. Best for low-end PCs and older systems. Next is Advanced SystemCare by IObit. IObit Advanced SystemCare comes in 2 forms: a free edition version that covers basic house cleaning, and a pro version that adds internet speed boosting, real-time optimization, privacy protection, deep registry cleaning, and 24/7 technical support. And the license covers 3 PCs. Whichever edition you choose, IObit Advanced SystemCare's interface is well-designed, easy to use, and unlikely to frighten even the newest PC user. We'd deduct points for an installer that wants to add additional programs. That's hardly in keeping with the philosophy of keeping unwanted stuff off your computer, but they're easy to avoid if you choose a custom installation. Key features: AI-powered scanning, deep registry cleaning, internet speed booster, privacy protection. Pros: modern interface, powerful deep clean, great performance boost. Cons: shows upgrade ads in free version. Best for users who want powerful automatic optimization. At number 4, Ashampoo WinOptimizer. Ashampoo WinOptimizer's biggest selling point is its flexibility. You can scan for junk files, broken registry entries, and browser cookies with a single click, and erase them all with one more. Alternatively, you can dive deeper by selecting the Details button to review the results of your scan one by one. Unlike some PC optimizers, Ashampoo WinOptimizer gives you a full description of each issue it's identified, explaining exactly what it is and why you should consider removing it. You can then make an informed decision about whether to erase or keep it. Key features: advanced system analysis, privacy control tools, disk cleaner, startup tuner. Pros: professional design, detailed optimization tools. Cons: full features require paid version. Best for advanced users who want detailed control. And finally, Microsoft PC Manager is an official Windows optimization tool developed by Microsoft. Microsoft PC Manager is a free, lightweight, and official Windows utility designed to boost performance, clean junk files, and manage startup apps with a simple one-click interface. It centralizes existing Windows tools for convenience, making it ideal for casual users to free up RAM and storage. It is generally considered safe, effective for basic optimization, and lacks the intrusive ads found in third-party cleaners. Key features: clean junk files, boost system performance, manage startup apps, improve Windows security. Pros and cons. Pros: 100% free. Official Microsoft tool, lightweight, safe and secure, no annoying ads. Cons: not as advanced as third-party tools, limited deep registry tools, no advanced performance tweaking. So that's my top 5 best Windows cleaner and optimization software for 2026. Let me know in the comments which one are you using right now. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.